Dear students of BSc Second, Semester 4, CBCS syllabus, paper number 8 is Plant Metabolism. Unit 2 is Seed Dormancy and Germination. In the first video, we have studied about the concept of seed dormancy, causes of seed dormancy, types of seed dormancy. Let us start to study the next part of the topic, seed dormancy and germination, methods of breaking seed dormancy. First we will see about the introduction, seed dormancy and germination. Living organism shows growth and development. In flowering plant, seeds form seedling and then it forms complete mature plant. Seed formed from fertilized ovule. Seed shows different types of parts such as testa, endosperm and embryo. Seeds of many plant shows variation in size, shape, color and surface. These characters are related with the genetic characters of individual plant species. So, many plants shows different type of shape, different type of size, different color and smooth or rough surface. All these characters are dependent on the genetic characters. Then we will study about the methods of breaking seed dormancy. The relation between seed dormancy and success of agriculturally important plant is significant. Number of methods are used to break seed dormancy. The methods to break seed dormancy varies depending upon the species. In different type of plant, different methods are used. See the first method to break the seed dormancy, breaking of seed coat dormancy. In nature, seed coat dormancy is broken by gradual decay of the seed due to action of certain bacteria and fungi. The dormancy of seeds caused due to hard seed coats can be removed by breaking, softening or weakening seed coats. The method used in breaking, softening or weakening seed coats is called as a scarification. It is carried out by mechanical or chemical method. These treatments forms expansion of embryo as well as entry of water and oxygen into seeds. It speeds up the seed germination. Mechanical scarification method. Mechanical scarification of seed coat is done by piercing, nicking, chipping or filling with a knife, needle. Hard surface of flour or sandpaper are preferred to break seed dormancy. Shaking of the seeds with some abrasives with sand removes seed coat. For example, asparagus racemosus, Bixa orellina, Tamarindus species. In these plants, seeds are with hard seed coat and it is removed by mechanical scarification method. The next method is chemical scarification method. The treatment of strong acids like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid is useful to break seed dormancy. According to ISTA rules, for the seed treatments, use concentrated acid for 2 to 45 minutes. The treatment time is dependent upon the species. For example, cotton, Cassia angustifolia. Seeds of these plants are hard and the treatment of strong acids is useful to break the seed dormancy. Organic solvent alcohol is used to dissolve waxy coating of the seeds. Similarly, seeds are kept in water for 75 degrees centigrade for 3 to 6 minutes to dissolve waxy coating. Some of the forest plant seeds are passed through digestive tract of the birds or animals for successful natural seed germination. Like this, different chemical scarification methods are useful to break the seed dormancy, and birds and animals plays an important role in natural seed germination. In the next slide, we will learn about the breaking of dormancy of physiologically immature embryo. This type of dormancy is broken if moist seeds are stored at 2 to 5 degrees centigrade for 5 to 6 weeks. This method is known as stratification. It is applied to peach, apple, cherry. The changes occur in concentration of nitrogen, phosphorus, amino acid and growth regulators in seeds. In some plant species, seeds germinate after remaining dry in ordinary temperature. This is called as after ripening in dry storage. For example, paddy or wheat. Scientist Boris described it as a relative dormancy. Then, low temperature overcome dormancy in lettuce seeds. To overcome dormancy, we can also apply preheating treatments. Temperature not exceeding 40 degrees centigrade for 7 days. GA application at low concentration of 0.5% solution and use of 0.2% solution of potassium nitrate is useful for the breaking of dormancy of the seed in which immature embryo is present. So, physiologically immature embryo will not get germinate. To break this dormancy, different type of applications are required, which are called as a stratification methods. In this slide, we will see about the breaking of dormancy due to the germination inhibitors. Dormancy due to seed is broken by soaking and washing of the seeds. In nature, dormancy is removed from seeds by leaching action of rains. In Prunus and Elaeaginus, abscisic acid is causing dormancy of the seeds. In the next method, alternating temperature, we'll see about the breaking of seed dormancy at particular temperature. The alternating low and high temperature can induce seed germination by breaking seed dormancy in many seeds. For example, Poya and Rumex. The difference between the alternating temperature should not be more than 10 to 20 degree centigrade. So this method is used to break the seed dormancy. Application of alternating temperature to the seeds is useful to break the seed dormancy in many seeds. The next method is light. The seeds which respond to light for their germination are termed as photoblastic seeds. There is a effect of light for their germination. Like these seeds are called as a photoblastic seeds. They are of three types. Positive photoblastic. Light promotes germination process in the positive photoblastic seeds. Second type is negative photoblastic. Light inhibits germination in negative photoblastic seeds. Non-photoblastic seeds, no effect of light on germination. So effect may be positive, enhancement in the germination process. Effect may be negative, that is inhibition of seed germination, and no effect of light on germination is known as non-photoblastic effect on the seed. In case of light responding seed germination, phytochrome play important role. The red light 660 nm stimulus during night promotes seed germination in lettuce. The red or far red light useful for the seed germination. So these are the phytochromes, PR and PFR. These two phytochromes are get interconverted and involved in the seed germination process. This stimulus of light is even a flash of second is sufficient for the seed germination process. So phytochrome PR get converted into PFR. At that time there is a more seed germination. Then PR and PFR are interconvertible. It shows particular action at particular wavelength. For example, 660 nm, 730 nm. These are the wavelengths. So there is a light effect on germination of seeds. Then there is a effect of pressures on the seed germination. The seeds of sweet clover and alfalfa improves germination when they were subjected to hydraulic pressure of 2000 atm at 18 degrees centigrade for 5 to 20 minutes. Pressure increased permeability of seed coat for water. This effect remains active even seeds are dried and stored. There is a pressure effect on seed germination. It is related with the permeability of the seed. In this slide, we will study about the biological significance of dormancy. Seed dormancy is a device for optimizing the distribution in time and space. The dormancy mechanism can operate to secure a suitable place for seed germination. Seed dormancy has a great ecological significance for distribution of different plants. The temporal distribution of germination were recognized by Salisbury due to variable seed dormancy of different plants. In this slide, we will study the biological significance of dormancy. Seed dormancy in cereal is a important thing. It is of great importance to mankind. The cereals are used as a food by man. Hence, their dormancy will show uneven germination. In tropical region of the world, seed dormancy due to hard seed coat. It is essential for good chance for survival of nature. In temperate condition, seed dormancy can be survived from injury. It helps for vegetative and reproductive growth. The dormancy of buds in many tree plants of temperate region is helpful. Similarly, in potato, dormancy checks sprouting of eye buds. Like this, in this chapter, seed dormancy and germination, we have studied about biological significance of dormancy. Then different type of methods to break the seed dormancy, like pressures, light, alternating temperature, breaking of dormancy due to germination inhibitors, breaking of dormancy of physiologically immature embryo, chemical scarification methods, mechanical scarification methods, breaking of seed coat dormancy. So all these methods are very useful to break the seed dormancy, and there is a relation between seed dormancy and success of agriculturally important plants, which is very significant. Thank you.